Boys and girls, right then, so this has enough flake now applied, enough sparkle of my concoction of various colours to allow this now to settle for a couple of days over the weekend, and then come next week we start to high build lacquer. So you can see, look, it's rough on the light. When the high build lacquer goes on now, and we keep building and building that in a stage at a time, then we cut and polish. Of course, that becomes like a glass where the flake is buried in. Really difficult to show you how this is in real life. It looks very blue there, but if you look here, you can see a little bit of green coming through on the camera, and this greenier there. It's more like that, the Ajax greeny colour. So really pretty. Full kit done, another kit being done next week as well. So I'll keep showing you as I work my way through. Take care.